Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to learn a wool bookmark. Isn't it beautiful? We are going to make this bookmark with the help of wool. Okay, so for that we will need a piece of paper. I have used two colors of papers to make it attractive. You can use one color also, but make sure that it should be thick enough because we are going to work with wool. It should carry the weight also. Okay, then we will need a punching machine, a sellotape, and two colors of wool strings and a scissor. Okay, so let's get started. First we need to make these holes here. It should be symmetrical, then only we will get this design and it will look beautiful. So for that, what I have done, I have made marks here. Can you see this? I have just made dots here so that it will be symmetrical. And I am using a punching machine upside down so that I can see the holes where I am punching. So this way we have to make punches all over the dots we have made, and then we will work on these holes. Similarly, do it from the another side. So I am done with punching all over, and I have made a last hole in the center of these two so that we can just pull out the strings here. Okay, I have measured these wools approximately more than double of this paper. Okay, if it is extra we can snip it off, but it should not be less than what we need. Then you have to reverse this paper. We are going to work from back of it. First we will fix up the wools with the help of sellotape so that it will not move here and there when we are working with it. So first step is you have to stick these wools in this manner. Okay, our wools are fixed. Now we will take one string and put it from the hole here. Another string we will put it from this hole. And now we are going to make crisscross pattern like this. So what we will do, we will see this pink wool will go like this. Okay, so we are going to put it in this hole and pull it. Okay, so this line is made. Now from the back side what we are going to do, it's very easy, just see it carefully. We are just going to put it in the hole which is beside it, exactly beside it. Okay, just pull it properly. Then we will again make a slanting line with this. You have to put it in the opposite center of it, this way. Then from back side you have to put so that it will not be a loose string anywhere and it will look neat. Then lastly, what we have to do, we have to just put it in this hole, the hole which we have made in the center of these two. Okay. Now we will work in a similar manner for the other color of wool. So we will put this diagonally, just pull the string, then from the back side we are going to put it in the adjacent hole and pull it. So I am done with the green color as well, and we are going to just fix it here. I'm just making a knot here so that it will not get loosen off. So this way, and I'll just cut the extra wool. And your bookmark is ready. You can decorate it more if you want to. Otherwise, in this manner also it is looking so beautiful and pretty. And see, from the back side also it is very neat. There is no any crisscross or something, no chaos at all. It's very clean from the back side as well. And we have made a beautiful bookmark. You can use it. You can gift it as well. Thank you.